If you feel betrayed by your partner despite a lack of physical affection, you might be experiencing microcheating, which involves subtle actions that create emotional intimacy with someone outside your relationship. While these behaviors, like innocent flirting or discussing personal matters with an ex, may seem harmless, they can breach trust and lead to significant emotional impact. Common signs include your partner prioritizing others over you, engaging with provocative content on social media, or sharing intimate secrets about your relationship. It's important to establish boundaries and communicate your feelings, as addressing microcheating early can help maintain the health of your relationship. Remember, microcheating doesn't necessarily mean the end of your partnership, but it does require attention to prevent further issues.